Hey everyone, welcome to Stackby's monthly roundup of product updates. I'm your host Rachit Khator and I'm excited to share these new improvements with you. Let's get started. First major update of August 2022. We have now added email notifications in Stackby. You go to your account, go to notification preferences and toggle on the email notification. Now you will receive email notifications for @mentions, collaborator fields, reminders, and much more. So give this a try. We have also added a quick feature in the link column type. So if you link between two tables, you will see you can now add a new row directly from the link model. Once you add it, you will see that the new row is already added and information is already created on another table. So super important feature if you're using the link column type. We have also added new colors to the checkbox column type. So you will see new colors are added and just click on apply and it will change. We have also added AND operator in formulas. So now you can use AND operator like this. If it's between two numerical functions, it will basically create a sum. So in this case, we have two columns, spend and add, and I want to create a total of it. So what I've done is using the AND operator, I've just added spend and add, and it will automatically create a sum of it. In text functions, it will behave as a concatenation. So basically you have categories and clients, and you want to use the AND operator. So it will basically behave as a concat. And it also behaves as a logical operator when you're using if functions. So, there are multiple ways to use AND. So instead of using concatenation or sum, you can use this simple operator called AND. Give this a try when you're using formulas in Stackby. We have also added Google Sheet Importer during our onboarding process. All you need to do is just connect your Google Sheet account, authenticate it, and just import the data. So we have also added a new functionality where your stack is logged until you verify your email. So as soon as you sign up, the first thing that we need to do is to verify our email. Only once we verify our email, we'll be able to see our shared stacks. So you will see that shared stack is with us, but I cannot enter into the stack. Only if I verify the email, I will then be able to access the stack as I need it. So this we have done it for more security reasons, so that only verified email addresses are using Stackby.